many lives does Max have?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
What's done to you?
You're getting him.
How old is Max, Arthur?
I don't know.
Max is 3 months old.
Like, I used to